know if I ever showed you guys my office. In all my years as a teacher, this is the first time I did not decorate my space. So we'll do some of that today. Well, I'm happy to see you. You see there is a hair change. I have no idea how I look. Hopefully I don't look too crazy. So in case you didn't know, this year I am a junior high school 7th grade teacher. More specifically, I'm a resource teacher. So what that means is I teach one tutorial math class, and then I go into 4 other classes, so English and math, to support the students who are on my caseload, just to provide them with strategies to help them access the curriculum. What are we doing today? Today we're going to try and beautify this space. And all right, that was my alarm. I have to run off to teach an advisory class where we just expose students to social emotional learning and vocabulary. All right, I'll see you in a minute. So 2 new boys were added to the class, and the class is only boys. So I am being tested, and we will all make it through. I need you to move to a different table and do your work. So I'm planting these seeds in advance because I want to teach the students the rate of change, and it's helping me with my social emotional. So we got 2 tiny bags of soil that I paid too much for. I bought some seeds, and oh, this is the bonsai kit. Wow, this is beautiful. This is part of the bonsai kit. The bonsai kit. It's just doing it one-handed. All right, I got a growing guide. This looks like some coconut core. Oh my God, the trees. Some growing bags, tools, labels. Okay. All right, I didn't expect to see this. It says pick 3 to 4 seeds, soak them in warm water for 24 hours.
I said, so you would come in my house? You say, yeah. And I said, my home in your bedroom. I said, so you.
Okay, so I'm gonna put the seeds in a tray. Be right back. All right, I'm on a break. These are supposed to be potting soil. I assumed that it was core, but it's not. And then I got 5 bags. These are my seeds. What I like about these bags, there's a drainage at the end, plastic on the inside, and of course this is burlap. See you in a minute. Now we're gonna drop the soil in this cup. That is so fascinating. It has absorbed it all up. No drips. I'm fascinated. All right, this time I put a little too much water in the soil. I was just curious. What I want you to see is the seeds. So these are, I cannot pronounce them, but you'll see it right here. These seeds are ginormous. They're interesting. To me, they look like cockroaches. I have to admit, I didn't sow it more than 24 hours, but you can see they have already started rooting or something. or the outer shell came out. I'm scared to touch it. It's just reminding me of a cockroach. So anyway, I ended up germinating 3. So I need to put them, oh, I'm free. It just looks like a cockroach to me. Ah, that's so freaky. Oh, God. I know I'm such a chicken. Get in there, cockroach. Let me do one more. All right, this one didn't do it. So out of the 3 I germinated, one didn't do that weird skin thing. This is one of a set of 4 chairs. I've had them for 12 years. Why people would scoot forward and backwards in the chair is beyond me, but this is the result. These are the pieces from the chair. So right here, this is the front panel, back panel. You see the hole. Let me see. This is the hole where the buckle used to be. This thing is heavy. And then here's the seat. So my thoughts are, you see this twisty part that was around the chair. I want to make a cleaner version of the twist. So let's see how it works out. All right, I cleaned up this cord. Now I'm gonna twist, twist, and twist. These are from Peppers in Los Angeles. 10 out of 10. All right, so I got it half the size. Now I want to just send the needle back and forth. Okay, so now I want to twist. I folded it in half after twisting. I want to twist it again. Here is the end result. Let me know what you think.